Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, Shelly's Millions. In today's video, I want to go over the 6 easy steps towards filling out an affidavit if the EDD has recently sent you a request, if you are on a PUA unemployment claim, to upload proof of work. I know that a lot of you are concerned because you don't have a W-2 or the employer you were going to start with is completely out of business now and you don't have a way to contact them, or you weren't working due to lack of childcare. You're not really sure which documents to send in. And if that's your situation, the easiest thing to do is going to be filling out an affidavit, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. So please make sure to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. So first, what exactly is an affidavit? Well, an affidavit is a sworn written statement used in court proceedings and other legal matters that has been witnessed and notarized by another party. Now, I will stop and remind everyone that my contact at the EDD told me that although it would be nice if it was notarized, that it is not necessary. If you do want to get your affidavit notarized, that will normally cost around $20. I will of course link the article that I am referencing down below so that you can use it after the video to help you write your own affidavit. So step 1 is to title the affidavit. For example, affidavit proof of work, affidavit of Shelly's Millions. So you want to both state what the affidavit is for and who it's for when you're titling it. Step 2 is to craft a statement of identity. For example, my name is Shelly's Millions. I'm 44 and reside at 1122 Future Millionaires Lane, Los Angeles, California, 90028. Step 3 is to write a statement of truth. Now, whatever you write in your affidavit, everyone's situation is going to be different, but you do want to make sure that you are being truthful and accurate. And here's an example of what that statement of truth might look like. I, Shelly's Millions, swear that this information is true and correct to the best of my knowledge. Step 4 is to stick to the facts. You don't need to include a lot of information in this, it just needs to be factual. In this example, I'm going to use lack of childcare as the reason why you were not able to go to work. Please remember 2 things. A lot of people had to have phone determination interviews when they were putting that lack of childcare was the reason for not returning to work. And the second thing to remember when you're doing this is you want to make sure that the dates, if you reference dates at all, that they line up with when you first filed for unemployment benefits or when you requested your unemployment claim to be backdated to. So here is an example of the statement of the facts, which is, I was planning on returning to the workforce in February of 2020 and began researching childcare in my area. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, the childcare centers near me were either closed or not accepting new children due to the pandemic. As a result, I had to stay at home to care for my child. I continued to look for remote work and work from home job opportunities, but due to the pandemic, many companies were not hiring and I was unable to find a job that would allow me to work from home. I should also mention that although this is what I would do if this was your case when you didn't have childcare, I can't guarantee that the EDD will accept this. They may ask you for other documentation as well. So keep in mind that this is just an example. Step 5 is to reiterate your statement of truth. And again, here's an example of that. I, Shelly's Millions, once again swear that this information is true and correct to the best of my knowledge. Step 6 is to have it signed and notarized. So again, my contact at the EDD said it was not necessary to have it notarized, so you're simply gonna sign it, sincerely, Shelly's Millions. I do recommend typing out your affidavit, and if you don't have access to a computer, try using the Notes app on your phone just because you want it to be as easy for the EDD to read and understand as possible. And then once you've got that typed up on your Notes app, you should be able to upload it that way on your UI Online homepage. So as you can see, the affidavit is a really easy process. It doesn't need to be too detailed. It is not too complicated, but I hope this video helped clear up any questions that you had. I'll go ahead and leave the picture of my completed affidavit for lack of childcare on screen so that you guys can use that as an example if you'd like to when you're writing your own affidavit. Feel free to go back and watch this video and pause it as you fill out your affidavit step by step to make sure that you have all 6 steps completed before you send it in to the EDD. Guys, Weeble's still giving out 2 free stocks when you use my link in the description down below. Let me know if this video was helpful and let me know what 2 free stocks you got if you use my Weeble link. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching Shelly's Millions. I'll see you next time.